2000 as well.
ID name is Feng Design.
Feng Design.
Oh,
Feng Design.
Feng Design.
Feng Design. 青耀啊！恭喜青耀
！Congrats 青耀！
Hi, I'm Yao, and I'm a full-time PHV driver, and welcome to my lovely home. So my interior designer is Linus from Feng Design, and I knew him through Renopedia. It's after scrolling Facebook whereby I came across videos that my friends shared regarding Wang Lei and Qiao, whereby their videos are quite funny, so I decided to take a look what Renopedia is about, and I found and just nice that I'm looking to renovate my house also, so I decided to give them a try. My home theme is Muji style cozy. I mean, to be honest, happy wife, happy life. I do not have a say in this, so ultimately it's still my wife, but I cannot go against her because, you know, happy wife, happy life lah. My favorite part of the home probably would be the living room, whereby I get to spend time with my wife together, having dinner, watching Netflix, at the same time just cuddling each other. Overall experience is very good from the start, whereby I met Linus, which is a very meticulous guy, very 关心我 in a sense that he would keep follow up with the renovation updates and such. And if in the event whereby I could not make it, he would come down and like video call me, drop me a call, update me on the status, everything. From the start, they gave us a few options whereby ID firms will contact us. Then from there we narrow down, because to be honest, Singapore got many ID firms. But which interior designer we are more comfortable with, then we decide to proceed with there. Yes, I would definitely recommend Renopedia because the budget that you input through their forms and the style that you wanted, they would narrow down for you. From there, they will handpick a few ID firms whereby they will extend the contact to them, then they will contact you. Thank you, Renopedia. Do check out their socials for more home renovation tips and inspiration. This is not a scam. Do check them out.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.